In this video, I will show you how to make amazing DI LED strip light connector. For this demonstration, you will need your LED strip light, two connectors. These are copper, a piece of hose pipe, old LED bulb you can find. This one is not working. We'll start by soldering. This is to make it easy for the soldering. Find a transparent plastic like this one and use a masking tape. Plug I will draw. Scissors to cut the extra parts out like this. So let's make sure this fits correctly. It fits. So this is to hold the connectors in one place. Yes, it will fit perfectly. So I've soldered the connectors to the wire. Next I'm going to use the hose pipe, then the plastic, transparent plastic that I made. I will use this plug just to hold this connection in position. So after securing the connection like this, I will apply a glue using glue gun. Just be gentle and do it slowly. Make sure that it covers the whole surface. Actually, this is to make the cable come through here. This is the final after the glue was completely dried. Next, you need this LED bulb. First, I will take off these connectors. This normally holds the AC. They normally connect the bulb to the AC connector. This is this circuit of the LED bulb. So we're going to be needing only this. This is the bridge rectifier we are going to use. AC input that I'm going to solder next on to join the bridge rectifier. So let's test this connection and see if, before we glue it down, let's test the connection. I'm going to connect first on the LED side. This is the final connection, and I have already connected the other end to the LED strip light. So I'm going to connect it to power source, and let's see if this will light. Yeah, it's working. The flickering is the camera that is doing that. So after that, we use this bottle cap to make it a connection. So I'm going to use a glue gun on this part. Then stick it this part just to secure this part. To that I will add to the top. So this is the final connection. So let me try it for the last time and see if it's still intact. Yeah, it's still intact and it's working perfect. So this is the connector, a homemade connector that you can do it at your home by yourself. And if you like videos like this and more hacks like this, don't forget to subscribe to Cedoh Kingdom, and thanks for watching this video. Please like and share, and let me hear your thoughts on the comment section about this homemade connection that I made. Thank you.